Okay, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial now. I'm digging rock. So rock is much more difficult to dig than dirt. So you have to hold the controls to the left or to the right or in or out. But I'm going to show you the basics of the controls. And we'll start at the back. This is called the knife switch. The knife switch gives power to the lights, to the alternator, and the gauges. That turns the power on the machine. The second thing is the key. The key engages the starter. It excites a coil that generates magnetic, like a magnetic pulse. The coil shoots out. It engages. Okay. It puts contacts to the heavy-duty amperage that goes directly to the starter to turn the starter, if you really want to know the theory behind the switch. The switch doesn't give the starter immediate electric. The switch goes to a solenoid which actuates like a piston and then pushes the end of the piston into a set of contacts that gives the starter all the amperage that the batteries have. Inside this switch is only about 12 amps or 8 amps. It depends. Could be 4 amps on a small machine. That's the key. The third thing is the throttle. The throttle is friction based. So if you pull the throttle all the way back, it stays there like this. Okay? That's because you don't have time to be going like this and like that. This isn't the old White House. So now this is the governor. This will shut off the motor. This is the boom. This is the boom. This is the boom up. Watch. Up. Boom up. I can only go up to this red mark because I have power lines up there. Boom down. Boom down. Okay. Now, if I push this lever to the right, it opens up the bucket. Open the bucket. Curl the bucket. Called curling the bucket. Okay, so I'll do it again. Open the bucket. Curling the bucket. Now, the next set of controls is the forward and the back of the machine, which operate the tracks. So if I push them one way or the other way, that's that. Now, if I want, the next control is the stick control. This expands the stick out. And then if I want to pull it this way, called crabbing the stick. It crabs it in like a crab grabs food and puts it in the mouth. So we have stick out or expand, and then we have stick crabbing. Now the other thing that the stick expand and crab control does is it swings the machine left, swings the machine right. Okay, so that covers everything. So I'll do one cycle. I'm going to put this the camera in my mouth, so if it falls or it shakes a little bit, that's why. swing the load over to the left and expand the stick and uncurl the bucket. Open the bucket. Okay, well there you have it. Boom up, boom down, uncurl, open the bucket, curl the bucket, forward the tracks, reverse the tracks, swing right, swing left, expand the stick, crab the stick, and that's pretty much all there is to it. But I suggest you start in an open field, because if you're really good with controls, flying a plane or operating a crane or a little bobcat, then you're just going to transfer your skills to a bigger machine. But every machine is different. When I used to fly, you had to get checked out on each aircraft. You had to, before you could fly. Before you worked on an airplane, you have to get checked out. Even if it's the same manufacturer, a different airplane, you have to go back to school for a little while to check it out. So basically, if you're really good with a hand-eye coordination and feet, then you can just transfer your skills. If you're doing this for the first time, they have places that you can go in the middle of some field somewhere, and then you can practice. That's what I suggest, because this machine is not very forgiving. So God day to everybody. From Michael Fazio and